Hello everyone, it's Venerable Bodhicitta here, and I'm here to introduce you to an extraordinary person. His name is Dr. Sunil Wimalawansa. I was sick a few days ago. I had sore throat and some signs of a viral infection, and I have watched Dr. Wimalawansa's YouTube clips that he had done a lot of research on COVID-19, and one of the things he researched was the vitamin D, effect of vitamin D on boosting our immune system, so it can help to fight to get rid of the virus in our body. And he has published a paper that scientific community has accepted, that this vitamin D, high doses of vitamin D, can effectively boost the immune system in order to fight the COVID-19. So I actually loaded myself with vitamin D and vitamin C and zinc, and never before I have recovered this quickly from a viral infection. So I understood the importance of this finding. So here I'm going to introduce you to Dr. Wimalawansa. He had published some of his findings, the results of his research on YouTube to help others. So we can take preventative measures, we can know what exactly is this COVID-19 and what we should do and how we can protect ourselves, and we can stay healthy. So I'm talking from my first-hand experience because I understood the importance of his research and sharing it with the public. Someone in this caliber normally don't come out and talk to the public like this. But I really appreciate what Dr. Wimalawansa has done. He had taken time to bring his results together and record it and upload it to the YouTube, so people like you and me can understand it in normal language, because it's so easy to understand and it can help us. So he's an extraordinary person. Normally there is a saying that someone is good at one thing, but he's a man of multi-talents, and he's an intellectual giant actually. He holds prestigious academic degrees, including not just the MBBS, but Doctor of Medicine, a PhD, Master of Business Administration, and Doctor of Science. So whatever he talks, he know his facts. He know what he's talking. So I would encourage you all to listen to these YouTube clips and pay attention. And I can guarantee you these can help you in this hour. He is also a senior professor of medicine in endocrinology and nutrition. He had taught many doctors for decades. He has been practicing over 40 more years. And he has also been a chief of endocrinology, a world-renowned expert in endocrinology, osteoporosis and metabolic bone disease, and vitamin D and nutrition. So, like I said, we can have trust on what he has published in here. He holds numerous distinctions as an educator, author, researcher, innovator, executive board member, and administrator, and as a philanthropist. He is also a multiple award winner, including many Young Investigator Awards from several professional scientific societies. Dr. Boy Frame Award for Clinical Excellence in Metabolic Bone Diseases, AM Doctrine Society Glenn Foundation Awards, and Innovation Award from Asian Chamber of Commerce. In 1983, he invented the use of intraoperative hormone assays to assist endocrine surgical procedures. which is now used globally as the standard of care by endocrine surgeons. As a president of several non-profit organizations, his work is focused on prevention and eradication of environmentally related severe occupational diseases in developing countries. He received a prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award for his contributions to medicine, science, humanity, and the society. And in 2007, he received the Dr. Oscar Gallak International Humanitarian Award in recognition of his humanitarian contributions. These are to name a few. He also had served on several national and international scientific review committees, including the National Institute of Health, Veterans Affairs, Drug Enforcement Administration, and in NASA. Professor Wimalawansa's understanding of coronavirus goes back to the SARS epidemic in 2002. In addition to his noteworthy contributions during the Ebola epidemic, the predictions he made in his scientific article that wrote in January 2020 on this COVID-19, indicating that it would become a pandemic, economic calamity, actually came true. So he has published more than 300 scientific papers and few books in medicine, nutrition, history of Buddhism, and books on meditation. So he is well versed in many areas. That's why I said he's an intellectual giant, and we can gain a lot more from him. We can benefit a lot more from him. And also you can see that he's not presenting himself, but he's presenting his facts and his knowledge to benefit the world. So I hope you will take these videos seriously and follow the instructions. And also he's a philanthropist, and he has engaged in the philanthropy work for 4 decades, very silently. So he's a man who doesn't present himself, but does a lot of silent work to the good of the humanity. And based on his extensive experience in fields of medicine, public health, socio-economic, Buddhist philosophy, and meditation, Dr. Wimalawansa has been able to formulate a very orthodox service vision that has been tremendously effective in helping the public. And I believe these summarized, short, informative, but easy to understand presentations will help you immensely, as they helped me to broaden my understanding and knowledge about the COVID-19 and to stay protected and healthy. So please do listen to them carefully, and I wish you all the best. May you be well, comfortable, be safe, and be peaceful and happy. And I also would like to bless Professor Sunil Wimalawansa. May he be blessed with more strength, courage, and wisdom to heal the world and ultimately to make it a better place. May you all be well and happy.